Morning guys, welcome back to the farm. Coming to you guys today from our field down the road. So we're about, 2.5 km or so from the farm, and we got a piece here we're gonna cut today and get ready to bale. It's a reasonably sized piece. There's probably gonna be around 40 bales on it. It's not super high quality stuff. It's kind of just like wild whatever that kind of grows. So it's not something you want to feed to the milk cows, but the small heifers seem to like it. So anyway, someday we'll probably do something better with this field, but for now we'll just make a little bit of hay off it. That'll be that. So we used to actually pasture heifers and dry cows down here years ago, but we gave that up. So anyway, I'll show you some footage of mowing starting off, and we'll move on to the next step. Well, it's the next day, and Dad's out here tedding. He's up behind me somewhere. I'll show you guys in a second, but hay is definitely drying up. This stuff was kind of getting dry just standing anyway, but yeah, so we'll ted it out today, probably again tomorrow, and we're gonna bale it on Tuesday, and you guys will see the video on Wednesday. So that's the plan. Well, I guess I'll leave them to it. I gotta go home and grease up the mower and do a little bit of mowing for second cut silage, because that's what we're starting next. But I might get a little bit of drone footage or something when he comes back and teds it again, if he teds it again, I don't know. or rakes it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it plays out. It's hard to plan ahead on these kind of things. But yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so it's Tuesday, and we're back here at this piece, baling it up while Dad's raking it, and Uncle's baling it. So, as promised, I got some footage of that, so hope you guys enjoy. So they'll get this finished up by later today. Dad's almost done raking actually, but anyway, I gotta head home. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one, I guess.